is it. Home sweet home. You want to do the honors, dear?
What do we have in here? Well, first we have gifts.
Oh, that's nice. What's our gifts?
I don't know.
Show me in the room.
Then we have Mr. Mail.
Mr. Mail.
Oh, look, it's already right.
It is. Let's see. Oh, we need to put the key in the door.
Yeah.
In the thingy.
Okay.
Now we have lights.
Let me grab my.
Okay. So this is not a traditional interior room. As you can see, normally you walk in and you've got that long corridor of hallway of cabinets and drawers and stuff. And this one, when we walk in, our bed is right there with TV, and our desk is to the side, giving us this extra space that I've heard some people describe as like you have your own little changing area. So this is where our stuff is, all of the same as any other ship, as any other interior room. Not included, even though we have the have it all drink package. If we took anything from here, that would cost us extra money. So let's just close that and not open it again. Save. Same storage as like kind of what we had in the interior. I'll drop the link, as our balcony room. I'll drop the link to our balcony cabin that we had in Alaska, and it should be in the top corner of this video. Check out the shower, and this is what we're talking about when we say a shower on a Holland America ship. At least the Pinnacle class, this is an amazing shower for an interior room. Look at that. Feel like we're staying in a suite. Foot bar, got your shampoo, conditioner, bath soap, and we've got hand soap and lotion. Plenty of space for all of the storage of all of the things. We've got USB ports, unlike our Carnival Conquest trip that we just were on, and you can check that link out right here. And another USB port. Protect the bed from our dirty luggage. I love this. I love this setup. Completely different than any other interior. Check out what it looks like on the map. And this is our gifts. $200 per person on board
We
credit.
do get the Mariner cocktail though, because it's our second time.
Yes. We didn't get this on our first one. Now we have 1 star each. We fancy now. We'll be cashing that in, even though we have it all and we can get all the drinks we want.
Yes.
Well, within reason. You're only allowed up to 15 per day.
Including waters.
Yes. The drink package on Holland America.
Not like a tap water. Cans of water.
Yeah. You can always
Counters.
ask for like a free glass of water, but yeah, your drink package, at least the signature drink package that we have included in our Have It All, it only includes 15 drinks per day. Alcoholic, non-alcoholic, does not matter. I get 10 lattes, then I've used 10 of my drinks for the day. So, but it's still reasonable. We never went over 15 when we were in Alaska. There was just so much to do, so much to see. So we did get close, but we never went over. All right. More storage and stuff. Makeup, mirror, hair dryer, drawers. Cute little cubicle seat. All right, now we're gonna go and enjoy the rest of the ship. Hope you enjoyed this interior cabin, and consider booking it next time that you want to stay on a Holland America ship. You see one of these weird shaped rooms on your on the map and you're not sure what it looks like and if you want to book it or not. Yes, we say yes. Definitely book it. If you haven't already, please click like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can join us from there to here and everywhere in between. Check out the new shirts. Subscribe, people. Click it. I got a new shirt too. There to here, it's all sparkly. Sparkly, sparkly. YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, follow us on all of them.